Welcome to Be Wellness Wise, where we share an important tip for wellness in your home. Warm summer days bring pesky insects like mosquitoes and flies. Did you know these pests thrive in temperatures above 80 degrees Fahrenheit? Protecting your home is essential to avoid bites and disease. In today's video, we'll share a simple, natural recipe to keep mosquitoes and ants and other bugs away. This eco-friendly solution uses common household ingredients that repel insects without harming the environment. 2 tablespoons of cloves, known for their insecticidal properties. 2 bay leaves, which repel and prevent reproduction. Half a cup of white vinegar, unpleasant to insects. And 1 glass of water. Boil water, add cloves and bay leaves, and simmer for 10 minutes. Let it cool, strain, and mix in vinegar. Transfer to a spray bottle, and you're ready. Spray on tables, countertops, and near windows. This mixture keeps mosquitoes and ants at bay, ensuring your home remains pest-free. Enjoy a bug-free summer. Remember to share with friends and family, comment, and subscribe.